What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are on our last day out here in the San Juans Alpine Loop, Colorado. We're airing down for the last time on our trip, and this will be our last trail, I think. We're going to be going up to Corkscrew Gulch Pass and Hurricane Pass, back down into Silverton, start packing back up. If you haven't seen the other videos, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, or at least consider it. And I'll link to the other trails we've done this trip down below. But yeah, it's been an awesome trip. It's been a lot of go, but we're still going. So let's get after it. You good? You guys good?
Yeah. I was just waiting for you to.
Oh, okay, cool.
Thank you.
Of course. Enjoy.
You too.
up, you guys? We're about 3/4 of the way up Corkscrew Gulch, and we can see ahead of us Hurricane Pass and the City Road 10 that would lead us back into Silverton. Depending on time and how we're doing, we want to make it back down into Silverton, kind of get things ready and wrapped up for this trip. But yeah, hopefully we'll see you at the summit. Back on shale, our favorite and least favorite thing to drive on. Saw there, not a whole lot of video on the way up, but we diverted over to Hurricane Pass. Now we're at the gates of Poughkeepsie, which is unfortunately closed, but got a beautiful view of Lake Como in the background. Yeah. But yeah, I think we're gonna take California all the way over. There you guys, that was it. That was both Corkscrew Gulch, Corkscrew Pass, and Hurricane Pass. And at the very end there, you saw us hit the gate at Poughkeepsie Trail, Poughkeepsie Wall. But this is the last trail of the trip. We had a lot of fun. Again, as always, if you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. Give this video a like, consider subscribing. And yeah, we had a lot of good fun out here in Colorado. We're definitely going to come out again soon. But we're definitely looking forward to getting back to California. Got a long drive ahead. Till next time, enjoy the ride.